2, 1, start. When a member of a newly constituted authority is elected, appointed or nominated, his term of office, as fixed under this act, shall commence from such date as may be prescribed, full stop. Nothing in subsection shall affect the provisions of section any casual vacancy among the elected, appointed or nominated members of any authority shall be filled as soon as may be by the person or persons or the body who elected, appointed or nominated the member whose place has become vacant, and the person elected, appointed or nominated to the vacancy shall be a member of such authority for the residue of the term for which the person whose place he fills would have been a member, full stop. New paragraph. Whenever there occurs a vacancy in the constitution of an authority, as constituted by this act because of the abolition of a specified office under the government, or because an organization, institution or other body outside the university has been dissolved or has ceased to function, or because of some other similar reason, it shall be filled in such manner as the chancellor may direct, full stop. If a question arises whether any person is entitled to be a member of any authority, the matter shall be referred to a committee consisting of the vice chancellor, secretary agriculture, government of the Punjab, and dean, who is member of the syndicate, and the decision of this committee shall be final, full stop. New paragraph. No act, resolution or decision of any authority shall be invalid by reason of any vacancy on the authority doing, passing, or making it, or by the reason of want of qualification or invalidity in the election, appointment or nomination of any de facto member of the authority, whether present or absent, full stop, notwithstanding anything to the contrary contained in this act, the statutes set out in the schedule appended to this act shall be deemed to be the statutes framed under section of this act, and shall continue to remain in force until amended or repealed, full stop. The West Pakistan Agricultural University Ordinance 1961, hereinafter referred to as the said ordinance, repealed by the University of Agriculture, Faisalabad Ordinance 1973, shall, notwithstanding the provisions of section, remain repealed, full stop.